In 2017, we see a lot of exciting opportunities to make real progress both at the state and federal levels. So we're looking forward to working with the new Congress at the federal level and with the incoming legislature, which includes new banking chairs in both houses, to advance and protect the interests of credit unions. My name is Michael Lieberman. I'm the Vice President of Governmental Affairs here at the association. One of our main priorities in 2017 is going to be data security. And this is very important to us because credit unions are very strictly regulated when it comes to consumer notification of breaches, and we are looking for parity with merchants. We want merchants to be held to the same standard as financial institutions when it comes to safeguarding the data of consumers. And we also want the ability to notify our members of the source of the breach. And further, we would like to see some kind of mechanism for reimbursement from the merchants to credit unions, to financial institutions, for the costs, which can in many cases be exorbitant, that result from a data breach. Another one of our top priorities in 2017 will be the transportation network company issue. These are ride-hailing companies such as Uber and Lyft. We want whatever legislation ultimately comes out of this, we want it to include a requirement that a driver who uses his or her vehicle for ride-hailing purposes must have adequate motor vehicle physical damage coverage. And the reason that this is so important is because credit unions need to be able to ensure that their collateral is protected in the event that they lend money to someone to purchase a vehicle, who then turns around and uses that car for ride-hailing purposes. Also, this session is increased penalties for demand note robbery. We all know that if you rob a bank with and you display a weapon, then that's a felony. However, if you go into a credit union and you present a written note and demand money, that is a lesser felony, and in many cases it comes with a very minimal penalty, if any penalty at all. And we feel very strongly that this doesn't adequately address the real harm that this does to our credit unions and to our communities. We think that our tellers and our credit union employees deserve better than that. They deserve more protection than that. One of our top priorities at the federal level will be restructuring of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the CFPB. We would like to see a multi-member panel rather than a single director. We believe that this will actually enhance consumer protections by ensuring that diverse perspectives from a cross-section of the financial sector are represented in all final rules that come out of the CFPB. So that's one important change. Another important change of the CFPB will be to change the way that they are funded. We believe that they should be funded through the appropriations process, because this will increase their accountability and ensure that the CFPB it uses their resources in a more efficient manner. The CFPB has also come out with a payday and small dollar loan proposal, which would include credit unions. While we agree with and commend the CFPB for working to protect consumers from entities who, in a predatory manner, take advantage of people who need money and who, in a time of need, come to them in need of a loan. We also believe that credit unions have offered this service for many years, and they've offered it not in a predatory way, but in a way that provides a much needed service for our members, and at rates that are not exorbitant, at rates that are fair. The CFPB's proposal would limit our ability to offer such products, and in fact most credit unions would not be able to offer them anymore. So we think it's very important, and we will work really hard to ensure that that credit unions are exempt from any final payday and small dollar loan rule that ultimately comes out of the CFPB. These are just a few of our state and federal legislative priorities for 2017. For more information, please visit our website, NYCUA.org, and follow us on social media. Please feel free to reach out to us, call us. We want you to get involved. We welcome your ideas, and we hope that you'll join us in our efforts to strengthen and protect the interests of credit unions in New York.